Okay, welcome back to Care About Tutorials, and we're going to go into the admin suite and we're going to have a look now at editing colours. What you'll see here is all of the constituent parts of your website, from the background, which is this background here, to links boxes, which are links, to the main site, which is this bit here, to the menu bar, which is the menu bar across the top. It's the bar that runs all the way across your site. To the menu box, which are the individual boxes. To sub-menu boxes, which are the boxes on the drop down. To the boxes that survey questions go into, headings 1, 2 and 3. And then the menu box text, menu box hover, so when you hover your mouse over the particular box, what colour it changes to, and sub-menu hover. If you are an expert in HTML, it doesn't mean to say you can't go straight into manage structure. You'll be able to go in and do the code in the XML and edit the style sheet directly. This is just a way of being able to do this without having to be able to write HTML. Okay, so let's just go and have a look and say we'd like to change the colour of our background. So again, let's have a quick look, and we can see the dark blue background there is the same as the dark blue background here. So let's just double click on background, and if you wanted any colour in there, any text colour in there, that's what it would be. And yet again, these are hexadecimal, and let's just have a quick look-see. So you can choose another colour should you wish to do so. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, before we change anything, I'm going to take a backup, which I've done, and then we're going to go in here and let's change the background colour into something much lighter. And we're going to go save the changes, preview the site, and as you can see, we've now changed the background colour into something much lighter. Next we'll have a look as we'll try and change the main colour. And so we're going to go in here, and we're going to go into the main site. We can see that light colour there, and let us suppose that for some unknown reason we wanted to go more of a gentle bluey green colour. Save the changes, go into the site, refresh the page, and we can see we've gone bluey green. Go into the menu bar. You can see the menu bar is indeed that colour, this colour here, and if we want to change that, we just go into the menu bar, and let's suppose we wanted that in a purpley colour. Save the changes, pop in here, refresh the page, and now we have a purple colour for the menu bar before the hover overs. See, and the same applies to the menu box hover. You just do the same thing for changing the colour. Now the key thing here is that these hexadecimal started by the hash key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, where if you go in here you can see that 0000 is black and FFFF is white, and these are just a few of the colours in between. There are all sorts of, if you go and search for hexadecimal blue colours or whatever, you'll get a far greater range than is available here. If we had the full gamut of them here, it would be enormous. Switch that off, and there are a number of other things that you can do in terms of, for example, if we go into the menu box, you can set the width here, so you can make the menu box wider, you can change the font, you can change the text colour. There's a whole range of different things that you can do, and you can change the border colour as well, and you can make the borders thicker or smaller. So there are a whole range of things to experiment with. As I say, make sure you take a backup of something you're comfortable with and then restore it when you've finished practicing. Otherwise there is always the danger of you making a bit of a mess of your site. Okay, so we're just going to go back to tutors so we can see where we're at. Go in here, go into the most recent version, and we're going to restore that, which will then take us, when we refresh this, back to where we were in the first place. So as I say, as long as you've done that backup, it's quite hard to make a mess of things. Okie dokie, we will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.